Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get the Amazon Flex debit card and start using it for instant payouts. Let's get started. First, you'll need to be an active Amazon Flex driver. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to apply and get approved to start delivering with Amazon Flex. Once you're delivering, open the Amazon Flex app on your phone. Now tap on the Rewards tab. This is where Amazon offers perks like the Flex debit card or instant cash out. If you see the option for the Flex debit card, tap it to start your application. If you don't see the option, it might not be available in your area yet, or your account may not qualify at this time. Keep checking back regularly. Once the option shows up, follow the on-screen instructions to fill out the application. You may be offered a virtual debit card right away, while your physical card will be mailed to you. After you're approved, you can get paid instantly after completing deliveries. No more waiting for weekly payments. You can use the card like a normal debit card for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and you can even track your balance directly in the Flex app. And that's it. You're all set to start using your Amazon Flex debit card. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.